Looking for a budget 5G smartphone in 2026 that actually feels premium? Samsung might have just nailed it again. This is the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, and today we're going to break down everything: design, display, performance, camera, battery, and whether it's worth your money. Let's get started. First impressions matter, and the Galaxy A17 5G does not disappoint. Samsung sticks to its clean and minimal design language. Flat edges, a smooth back panel, and a modern camera layout make this phone look surprisingly premium. In fact, it looks very similar to Samsung's higher-end devices, which is a big win for a budget phone. The phone feels comfortable in hand, not too heavy, not too bulky, just right. On the back, you get a matte finish that helps reduce fingerprints, something users always appreciate. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, and yes, you still get a 3.5mm headphone jack, something many people still love. Overall, the design is simple, clean, and premium-looking. Now, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A17 5G features a large 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display. Scrolling feels smooth thanks to the 90 Hz refresh rate. It's not 120 Hz, but still very good at this price point. Colors are vibrant, blacks are decent, and brightness is good enough for outdoor use. Watching videos on YouTube or streaming your favorite shows feels immersive and enjoyable. The bezels are slightly noticeable, but that's expected in this segment. For everyday use, this display delivers a solid experience. Now, performance. This is where things get interesting. The Galaxy A17 5G is powered by a mid-range chipset designed for smooth everyday usage. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels stable, and switching between apps is seamless. Social media, streaming, and browsing all work smoothly without noticeable lag. For gaming, light to moderate games run well. Popular titles like PUBG Mobile, Free Fire, and Call of Duty Mobile are playable on medium settings without major issues. You shouldn't expect flagship-level performance, but for the price, it's more than enough. You also get multiple RAM options, which helps keep things smooth over time. Now let's talk about the software experience. Samsung's One UI is one of the best Android skins available. It's clean, customizable, and very user-friendly. You get useful features like dark mode, split screen, app lock, and various customization options. And one of the best parts is Samsung's software support. Even in the budget segment, Samsung usually provides updates that keep your phone secure and up to date for a longer time. That means a better long-term experience. Now let's talk about cameras. On the back, you get a triple camera setup. The main camera captures good photos in daylight. Details are sharp, colors are balanced, and dynamic range is decent. Portrait mode works surprisingly well with good edge detection. In low light, performance is average. It's not amazing, but usable, especially with night mode. The ultra-wide camera gives you more flexibility, which is great for landscapes and group photos. On the front, the selfie camera does a solid job. Skin tones look natural, and video calls are clear and stable. Video recording is decent for casual use and social media content. Overall, this is a reliable camera system for everyday photography. Now let's talk about battery life. This is one of the strongest areas of the Galaxy A17 5G. It packs a large battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge. Even with heavy use, streaming, browsing, and gaming, you won't have to worry about running out of battery. Charging speed is decent. It's not the fastest, but it gets the job done. Plug it in for a while, and you're ready to go again. Now for connectivity and extra features. Of course, this phone supports 5G connectivity, which means faster internet speeds and better future-proofing. You also get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and USB-C charging. Everything you need for a modern smartphone experience is here. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons. On the positive side, you get a clean and premium design, a smooth 90 Hz display, good battery life, reliable performance, and 5G support. On the downside, there's no 120 Hz refresh rate, low light camera performance is average, and charging could be faster. Now the big question, should you buy it? If you want a budget smartphone that looks good, performs well, and lasts all day, the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is a solid choice. It doesn't try to be flashy. Instead, it focuses on getting the basics right, and that's exactly what most people need. For its price, it offers excellent value, and that makes it easy to recommend. So that's the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. What do you think? Is this your next phone, or are you considering something else? Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.